Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Ahmad Lamfadera with stand number 061930322834. I'm from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. Today I want to explain you about semiconductor. Semiconductor is an important part of electronic that have electrical properties somewhere between those of insulator and conductors. The use of semiconductor materials in electronic components is not new. Some devices are as old as the electron tube. This semiconductor fall under a more general heading called solid-state device. Two of the most widely known semiconductor in use today are the junction diode and transistor. Semiconductor development has its own long story that is very interesting to know. The semiconductor developed over time until now. Application of semiconductor is very important in the electronic device that make the every part of life become easier. However, semiconductor take important influence in electronic field. A solid-state device is nothing more than an electronic device which operate by virtue of movement of electronic within a solid piece of semiconductor material. Since the invention of the transistor, solid-state devices have been developed and improved at an unbelievable rate. Great strides have been made in the manufacturing techniques, and there is no foreseeable limit to the future of this device. Solid-state devices made from semiconductor materials offer compactness, efficiency, ruggedness, and versatility. Consequently, these devices have invaded virtually every field of science and industry. In addition to the junction diode and transistor, a whole new family of related devices has been developed. The Zener diode, the light-emitting diode or LED, and field effect transistor. One development that has dominated solid-state technology and probably has had a greater impact on the electronic industry than either the electron tube or transistor is the integrated circuit. The integrated circuit or IC is a minute piece of semiconductor material that can produce complete electronic circuit functions. Semiconductor development. Although the semiconductor was late in reaching its present development, its story began long before the electron tube. Historically, we can go as far back as 1883, when Michael Faraday discovered that silver sulfide, a semiconductor, has a negative temperature coefficient. The opposite is true of the conductor. It has a positive temperature coefficient. Only 2 years later, on 1885, another valuable characteristic was reported by Munk I. Rosenholz. He found that certain materials have rectifying properties. Strange as it may seem, his finding was given such little notice that it has to be rediscovered 39 years later by F. Brown. By 1915, Carl Baradix discovered that germanium, another metallic element, also had rectifying capabilities. Later, it became widely used in electronic for low power. Low frequency application, although the semiconductor was known long before electron tube was invented. The semiconductor device of that time could not match the performance of the tube. Radio needed a device that could not only handle power and amplify, but rectify and detect a signal as well. Since tube could do all these things, whereas semiconductor device of that day could not, the semiconductor soon lost out. It wasn't until the beginning of World War II that interest was renewed in the semiconductor. There was a dire need for a device that could work within the ultra-light frequencies of radar. An amplifying device was needing that was smaller, lighter, more efficient, and capable of handling extremely high frequencies. A serious study of semiconductor material began in the early 2019 and 14s. and has continued since June 1948. A significant breakthrough took place in semiconductor development. This was the discovery of point contact transistor. Here at last was a semiconductor that could amplify. This discovery broke the semiconductor back into the competition with the electron tube. So, as we see, in looking back, that the semiconductor is not something new, but it has come a long way in a short time. Semiconductor applications. In the previous paragraph, we mentioned just a few of many different applications of semiconductor device. The use of this device has become so widespread that it would be impossible to list all their different applications. Instead, a broad coverage of their specific application is presented. Semiconductor devices are all around us. They can be found in just about every commercial product we touch, from the family car to the pocket calculator. Semiconductor devices are contained in television sets, portable radios, stereo equipment, and much more. Science and industry also rely heavily on semiconductor devices. Research laboratories use this device in all sorts of electronic instruments to perform tests, measurement, and numerous other experimentals. All of the specific application of semiconductor device would make a long impressive list. The fact is, semiconductors are being used extensively in commercial products, industry, and the military. As you can see, semiconductor this time is very useful and important in electronics. Solid-state device is one of them. The technology of semiconductor is developed over time and continuously to get the best performance. The application of semiconductor is so much and important in the whole life. As you can see, with the development that make semiconductor have the high technology and the important application of semiconductor, it take important influence in electronic